Hello everyone, welcome to the Elliott Wave YouTube channel. My name is Henry Lau and today is February 28th, 2019. The time is 3 a.m. GMT. We are looking at the chart of the oil futures 30 minutes chart, so short-term chart here, and we can see right here that from this low on February 12th at $51.27 we have a rally that looks like an impulse. You can see the subdivision is all in 5. We got a 5 waves up, a pullback, another what looks like a 5 waves up, another pullback, and another 5 waves up. So we ended a 5 waves up from this low and ended with one here, and this is within a C leg, so you can assume it's an ABC, right? And this is the C leg, and the C leg in a zigzag should be unfolding as a 5 waves, and this is your wave 1 of the C, and you have a wave 2 of the C in the form of a flat, expanded flat A, B, C, and an expanded flat is a 3, 3, 5. That's why you see in the C leg there is a 5 waves down here, and then after we ended the wave 2 here, we are in the process of wave 3 to the upside. Now for this view to get validity, right, to get confirmation, we need oil to break above this wave 1, right, to break above the previous high. Now until oil is able to do that, technically speaking, we cannot rule out the possibility of a double correction like this, right? We cannot rule out the possibility of a double correction until we see oil breaking above this previous peak. All right, so let's take a look here and look at a different angle to see which one looks to be more likely. If I upgrade the view into the daily, this is the daily count, not the full count, but it's a daily chart. Okay, you can see that from December 2018 low we have a rally, and this is the P that you see in the 1 hour chart earlier. All right, this P over here, and you can see the rally looks impulsive to me here, and then we got a pullback, and then after we got a pullback we got a new high above this A, right? In other words, we have a sequence of higher high and higher lows, right? So technically speaking then, if the ABC zigzag is not truncated, in other words, this is what we call truncation, in which the C leg is so short. If it is not truncated, then typically a zigzag ABC should be reaching 100% equal leg, right? Now, if you look at it from a different angle, some people look at this as a inverse head and shoulders, right? So you can draw a trend line here, and this is your head and this is your shoulders, right? And it broke above the neckline here, it retested, which is what we call that wave 2 here. It retested and hold, and then now bouncing again pretty strongly. It's just that we need confirmation of break above here to confirm the next leg higher has indeed started. So we got a 5 ways up ending with A in the black. We have a pullback in the B. Since then we have a new high, retested this neckline, bouncing pretty nicely. So if we do get a break above this previous peak, I think that will definitely increase the chance that we are indeed starting the next leg higher again. So if this is already in the C, then that means if we do get a break above this previous peak, then that means this is 1 of C, 2 of C, and then now we are in the 3 of C, 4 of C, 5 of C, further upside. Now if you use this type of analysis, typically what traders do is they measure the distance from the head to the neckline, right? And then you project it at the point of a break, which is around here, and you got a target towards $68 more or less to the upside. And what about an equality of an ABC? Now if you project equality ABC zigzag, that will give you somewhere around $64.50. So of course, it is a range, right? 100% target is a range. So the range comes from 64 all the way to 72. So it's a big range. So definitely it can extend higher to 68 even. But if this is correct, then I think we can expect a pretty decent move to the upside, right? A pretty decent move to the upside, around 20% move in oil to the upside if what we are showing here is correct. Now looking at this chart here, it does look to me it retested and hold. So it looks to me that the probability that we are actually extending higher now seems to be a little bit higher than doing a double, right? Because if it is doing a double, that will suggest it will break below the neckline again, which is possible. Anything is possible, right? But we will get a better confirmation about this view after we do break above the previous peak. All right. So if you are looking for a full count in all time frames or looking for a way to trade it, you can always join us in the live trading room and live session where we talk about this thing. And we do have a 14 days free trial. You can subscribe the free trial using the link that is provided in the video description. So see you all again tomorrow.